In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to draw in Miro. Whether you're sketching ideas during a brainstorm or annotating a diagram, you'll be able to create clean, clear drawings right on your board. Let's start by getting into your workspace. Open Miro, sign in, and head to the board where you want to draw. You can use any board you already have. Give yourself a moment to center the view so the area you plan to sketch in is visible. If it helps, zoom in a little to make your strokes more precise, or zoom out to see the big picture as you work. Now, look for the pen icon in the toolbar, typically along the edge of the screen. Click it to enter drawing mode. If you prefer keyboard shortcuts, press P to toggle the pen instantly. You can draw with a mouse, trackpad, or stylus, whatever feels most natural. If you're on a laptop, resting your wrist and drawing with short, confident strokes often gives you cleaner lines than trying to trace one long gesture. Before you start sketching, set up your pen so your lines look the way you want. Click the pen icon again to open the color and size options. This is where you choose your line weight and pick a color that stands out on your canvas. If you're moving quickly, use the available presets to switch between styles without digging back into the menu every time. A helpful tip is to pick a light, medium, and bold size for a consistent hierarchy. Thin lines for details, medium for general outlines, and thick lines for emphasis. For color, aim for contrast with the background so your drawing stays readable at different zoom levels. If you plan to present or export your board, high contrast colors will remain crisp. With your pen set, click and drag anywhere on the board to sketch freely. Use smaller sizes to add fine details like labels, arrows, and subtle shading, and switch to larger sizes for structural shapes and bold emphasis. Work in layers. Block out rough forms first, then refine with thinner strokes. If a line isn't quite right, undo is your friend. Use your standard undo shortcut to step back and try again. As you build up your drawing, pause occasionally to adjust zoom so you can check proportions and spacing. Keeping a steady rhythm of zooming, sketching, and refining will help your drawings look intentional rather than rushed. And that's it. You've logged in, activated the pen, customized your brush with colors and sizes, and sketched confidently on your board. Practice these basics and your Miro drawings will quickly become clearer, faster, and more expressive.